Hey everyone, welcome to group break number 344. Today we have a two-boxer random conference style of 21-22 Upper Deck CHL. We'll probably put up a couple of these breaks next week. Obviously it's pretty hot time for Connor Bedard stuff, so yeah, without further ado, let's get into the break. As a reminder, you get a random CHL conference, so OHL East-West, QMJHL East-West, WHL East and West. WHL East is the conference that you want. That's got Bedard in it. But again, there's other goodies in other conferences as well. So yeah, cards will go within their conference. We'll call them out as we go along and kind of sort as we go along. So here we go. 3 times on the names, 3 times on the divisions. Who you line up with is who you get. Looking forward to this. Hopefully, we've had one break. We've had one break without a Bedard. Here we go. Once, twice, third time. And in that break, we hit a numbered chain right. So, like, And teams 3 times. Did it? Oh, no, it didn't just flip it. It was 3 times. Yeah, it was 3 times. There we go. Once, twice, third time. WHL East on top. Well, that's the good one. OHL is pretty solid as well. So here we go. Charles, you got WHL East and OHL West. That's a pretty decent random. Andrew with the QMJHL West. Graham with the WHL West. Jason, you got the QMJHL East. And Eric with the OHL West. There are your teams. I will pull up the things here. Where is... And again, there are 10 spots left in the Skybox Champions random pack break. That one will fill when it fills. But yeah, let's show off team random. Again, here are all the teams here. So again, you get all, if your division has, you get all the teams listed. So yeah. All right, here we go. We've hit some nice stuff out of this. We've hit the Owen Beck Star Rookies exclusives. We hit the Stankoven exclusives. I mean, yeah, we didn't hit a Bedard, but we hit the Stankoven exclusives last week with the Shane Wright. So, like, it's been pretty nice to us. Pretty nice to us. One 6. And the box numbers. All right, here we go. Let's hope for a Bedard. Good luck, everyone. All right, 2 off the back. Again, as a reminder, we'll ship some base as well. So, per usual, these 2 are pretty... I'll try and pull... Actually, let me try and pull out a better base as we go along here. I like Chromiak, Del Mastro, Star Rookie of Connor Roulette for the Seattle Thunderbirds. That is WHL West. And CHL Profiles of Connor Geeky. That is WHL East. A little WHL action to start us off. All right, next up. I think he's half decent. Star Rookie of Maxime Courcelle for the Rimouski Oceanic. That is QMJHL East. And Daniel Hauser for the Winnipeg Ice. That is WHL East. All right. Third pack. No numbered card here. Stars of Ryder Korzak for the Moose Jaw Warriors, WHL West, and Zach Benson, WHL West. Or sorry, East. East on both. Yeah, both of those. Oh, that's an autograph. We'll pretend that you didn't see it. All right, spot check's decent. McCoy for the Peterborough Petes, that is OHL East. And Ethan Cardwell for the Barrie Colts, that is going to be OHL East. OHL East on the board, getting a couple there. Oh, it's nice getting an auto. Again, you normally get one auto, like you normally get one numbered card and then either an auto or another numbered card, and then a clear cut as well. So. Star rookie of Tyler Peddle for the Drummondville Voltigeurs, QMJHL West. And Lysol on the star rookie for the Vancouver Giants with a little bit of a scratch down the middle, but WHL West. Not a bad one. Like, didn't do well at the World Juniors. Did really good at the whatchamacallit, in the AHL, so. All right, here we go. That is one of the better base cards because he was on the team. I like Ronan Seeley. Oscar Olausson for the Oshawa Generals. That is going to be OHL East. And Zach Benson for Winnipeg. That is a top draft pick this year, projected. Probably around the 7th or so. So we'll sleeve up that star rookie. WHL East. All right. I think he's half decent. Dylan McKinnon, different McKinnon for the Halifax Mooseheads. That is going to be, I believe that's East. Yep, QMJHL East. And Nemesnikov, that's Sarnia. That is West. Uh-oh. I think Furcus is half decent. Stars of Josh Bloom for the Saginaw Spirit. That is OHL West. And next steps, Connor Bedard for the Regina Pats. There we go. Nice little Bedard. A little bit of a soft corner on that one there. But it happens. Actually, the other bottom corner is a little bit soft too. Like, it's not going to grade out a 10. It's got like minor stuff, so it happens when you've got die cut cards. There we go. Well, we're 7 for 8 with the darts. Still should have a numbered card left for the box. Cameron Allen for the Guelph Storm on the Star Rookies. That is going to be OHL West, I believe. Yes. And Brian McConnell Barker for the Sioux. That is also OHL West. Gavin Hayes for Flint. That is OHL West. And Nathan Drapeau for the St. John Sea Dogs, QMJHL East. Here's our numbered card. Bank here. Novak is half decent. Stars of Ben Bujold for the London Knights. That is OHL West. And Tyler Peddle for the Drummondville Voltigeurs. That's QMJHL West to 99. Number 38 of 99 on the first draft. Ruby, red, whatever you want to call it. Not bad. Not too shabby. Last pack. CHL profiles. James Hardy, I think, is probably above average. Hunter Height for the Barrie Colts, that is OHL East. And Kerry Terrence for the Erie Otters, that is going to be OHL West. The OHL is, for the American teams, they're all in the West, which is why it's easy to memorize those. And I think that's actually why the QMJHL has 2 less teams. Because I don't think they have their regular. They don't have, like, Lewiston's not there anymore. Yeah, who else was in there? But I just remember the Lewiston Maniacs because they were from, you know, Maine. 501 on the box numbers. I believe did Marchand play for them? But they're at the 2007 Memorial Cup, in which the Vancouver Giants won. That was a fun sporting event. All right. Colton Dock. It's got a little bit of a thing in it. Collard for Drummondville, or not Drummondville, sorry. Baie-Comeau Drakkar. That's the West, or sorry, the East. I majorly messed that up in multiple ways, but Riley Kidney on the next steps, also for the East. Korchinski. Leshkovsky was actually like half decent. Damon Hunt for the Stars from Moose Jaw. And Evan Gauthier for the Sherbrooke Phoenix. That should be on the West there. Yep, QMJHL West. And Moose Jaw is WHL East. Weisblatt just got traded for a lot. Stars, Zellweger for the Silver Tips. Hey, Finn. Not bad there. WHL West. And top import of Jakob Demek for the Edmonton Oil Kings. That is WHL East. All right, let's see if we can get one more Bedard. I mean, we got one. We got our generally one. Bogdan's played well in the World Juniors. Vickman is one of the better goalies. Ozzy Weisblatt for the Prince Albert Raiders, WHL East. And Kocha Delic for the Sudbury Wolves. That is going to be West. No, East. Okay, East. All right, here we go. I mean, Lockhart's a Canucks guy. Evangelista for the London Knights. That is going to be West. And Caden Gooley for the Edmonton Oil Kings on the exclusives to 100. A little bit of a soft corner, but nothing horrible. Always nice when you get the NHLer. Obviously, it's like pretty much the best time to sell the card is now with CHL, because once they get their NHL cards, their CHL self-stop starts to drop. So something to keep in mind. Brennan's doing okay. Brett Harrison for Oshawa. That is going to be OHL East. And Denton Matijchuk for the Moose Jaw Warriors. That is QMJHL, or sorry, QMJHL, WHL West, East. God, there's so many. My placement of the cards just bugs me in this because it's like this needs to be East, this needs to be West, but geography, like, they're flipped, right? So no one major. Nathan Gaucher for the Quebec Ramparts. That's QMJHL East. And Logan Stankoven on the next step for the Kamloops Blazers. We'll sleeve that one up. I like him quite a bit. Liked him in his draft year. Like him even more now. All right, what one needs a top-loaded card? Probably like QMJHL East and OHL West. Be nice to kind of balance it out. There's him. He's back in the base set. Aiden Castle for the Niagara Ice Dogs. That's OHL East. And Tristan Leno for the Gatineau Olympiques. That is QMJHL West. All right. 4 packs to go here. We've hit our numbered card. We should have one more numbered card, right? Or an auto. And a clear cut. Garan's decent. Zachary Dean for the Gatineau Olympiques. And Quentin Musty for the Sudbury Wolves. OHL East. Oh, here's our other numbered cards. It's probably going to be McConnell Baker. Give him the team. Yvonne, that's just a great name. Just a great name. Luke Prokop, Edmonton Oil Kings, and yep, McConnell Barker to 99 on the first draft. So, numbered cards. We got Gooley. Gooley's good. Gooley's good. So we should have the clear cut left. And then just another insert. Ooh, clear cut time. I think it might be a stars, which would be nice. Be nice to get a stars. Rower on the star rookie for the Ottawa 67s. He had a scary injury the other day. And a Logan Stankoven, clear cut stars for the Blazers. So, oh wait, sorry, I put the Stankoven in the wrong pile there. He is a WHL West. Nice Stankoven for the WHL West. I don't know why the one that I'm like very sure on. Let me double check I didn't mess up anything else now that I think about it. No, we're good. I'll go back through them after the break as well. But hey, nice Stankoven. Not bad. I don't know. I just assume good WHL card. It's automatically going to go into the East in this because I mean that's generally how it works. All right, rounding things off, stars of Benjamin Gaudreau for Sarnia. That is going to be OHL West. And Sage Weinstein for the Spokane Chiefs. That is WHL West. And that is the break. So highlights, probably the Caden Gooley. On the exclusives, the Zach Benson rookie. We got the Lysell clear cut star rookies. We got an auto of Ethan Cardwell. And then the Stankoven clear is nice. Good time to get that guy. And I mean, hit of the break's always going to be Bedard because it's where the money is. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you everyone for tuning in. Like I mentioned, I'll check on how many spots are left quickly, but we'll probably put up a couple of these breaks for next week. Yeah, really not much more to say. It's been solid. So let me go ahead and take a look here. How many spots are left in the Skybox? And it's the Skybox Metal Champions. It's a random pack. Yeah, there's 10 spots left in that. So that break will happen once it fills. But yeah, take care, everyone. Like I said, I'll get this all sorted. You'll get some base along in just to, kind of round out the break a little bit. But yeah, take care. Have a good night and see you whenever the Skybox break fills or next week, whatever comes first. See ya.